personally, are there any, I know you said you're sector agnostic, but personally, are there any sectors or areas that you feel it's really important to invest in?
Well, it depends on which year you're asking me, to be honest. I try to, this year obviously the theme is AI, everybody and their mom is investing in AI. But from our side, we're really focusing a little away from AI, and we're really focusing on fusion technology, for example. We recently closed an investment into a company that focused on fusion technology, and we really do believe in harnessing this positive energy towards good. I mean, I think we've seen some, not necessarily a plateau, but we've seen price decrease dramatically for wind technology and solar technology. And really, we do see the forefront right now is fusion.
Well, what is fusion? Tell us a bit more about fusion technology.
So this fusion technology really, so if you really think about it, it's basically mimicking what the sun is doing, basically. Not necessarily the photovoltaic of the sun, but necessarily the actual fusion of how it operates. And we've seen enormous strides happen throughout the last 4 or 5 years. And this is one of the biggest companies that actually starting this technology, TAE Fusion. Really excited about it, to be honest. And I really do believe that this would be a good start for our company to really step out of the norm, step into really somewhat high risk factor and really long-term vision behind there. We don't think we're ever going to see a dime from this company for the next 20, 30 years. But at the end of the day, you have to start investing into these companies now to see the future.
Years.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I think we're really early stage into these companies, especially fusion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,